Systematic reporting of aircraft damage. Damage to the aircraft fuselage may be invisible to the naked eye and yet jeopardize the safety of the flight. In 2005 in Seattle, a tractor driver hit an aircraft. He inspected the fuselage and, noticing no apparent damage, he continued on his way without reporting the incident. Once in flight, an explosion is heard in the aircraft. The pressure suddenly drops, causing the release of the oxygen masks. The crew is forced to initiate an emergency descent and landing. Once on the ground, agents noticed a hole of 15 by 30 centimeters in diameter at the whole door level where the unreported damage had occurred. An aircraft fuselage is between 1 and 6 millimeters thick. Any damage is likely to cause depressurization. In 2002, a Boeing 747 disintegrated in full flight. A terrible accident caused by damage to the fuselage masked by improper repairs. Fuselages made of composite materials, such as for the A350 or Boeing 787, resume their original shape after an impact and are difficult to detect when unreported. But that does not diminish the damage to the structure underneath the surface. One basic rule to avoid this kind of accident: report any impact immediately, even when there does not seem to be any visible evidence of damage. Only qualified specialists are able to assess the risks to flight safety. Just Culture protects those who report an incident. Apart from willful violations, it is forbidden to punish an agent for an event he reported. Lay the ground for a safe flight.